We're going to a dairy farm today, I guess. Is that where
No, we're going to a goat farm.
Oh, a goat farm! That sounds so exciting.
Before we get into this video, please subscribe, like, and click the post notification bell, and go follow all of our Instagram pages too while you're at it.
We just pulled off the interstate and we are about 5 minutes from our next Harvest Host destination, which is a little goat farm, a little goat dairy farm here in Honey Creek, Iowa. So anyway, we just gassed up and let the dogs out to go potty, and now we're gonna go check into our Harvest Host destination.
We have like this like magnet on here, and so we're gonna get like Iowa and all these magnets. We're gonna fill them all up like everywhere, and it's gonna look so cool.
All right,
I'm so excited!
that's our destination right through there. Arrived. This is it. Looks like we've made it.
Guys, they have goats, and they have sheep and everything. Look at that money sticking in their
Loess and Diva's Dairy Farm is located in the beautiful Loess Hills of Iowa with the Missouri River close by. This western Iowa farmstead sheep and goat dairy features co-mingled milk products and is one of only a handful of certified combined milk dairies in the United States. Pasture-fed, the goats and sheep produce sweet milk that is handcrafted into fresh and aged cheeses. Some of the milk is frozen, then used in production of natural soaps and lotions created during the winter when milking has ceased for the
There we
year.
go. All right, now, when Mama feeds her babies, the babies have to reach up. So I want you to make sure when you hold your bottle, hold it, come here, hold it way up. So go ahead and start. Here we go.
Way up,
You
Viv.
want to do this?
Come here, Oliver. You want to hold it?
Which one?
Yeah, you can put another hand on there, Ollie, and hold it up.
Way up. That's it. Way up. Hold the nipple way up.
Yep.
Like this. Hold it way up. You want to do it?
Jack, you want to do it?
There you go. Hold it way up. Both hands. They're real strong. There you go. And you can stay in one place. You don't have to. They will come to you.
Janna was our host for the evening, and we could tell she was the backbone of Loess and Diva's Dairy Farm. She was a terrific host. As soon as we pulled in, she instructed us where to park and explained her passion in connecting the community with healthy products and the sustainable practices they use there at the farmstead. Once we were settled, Janna brought out bottles for us to feed the sheep. Feeding the baby sheep was a first for all of us.
I think you're an expert, Erin. He's like, don't touch me, I'm eating. What do you think, Ollie and Jack? Ooh, and he wolfed that down.
Okay, so here John is trying to make us a little fire in the clay chimney.
What's so sad is I have a butane torch and I can't even make one. I mean, you've got like people that make them with rubbing sticks and
Vivian,
stuff
here,
together.
go walk him for a second, will you?
And I actually have fire here and I can't make one. Where, you know what they say, where there's smoke, there's what?
Here's our rig for the night at the dairy farm. And then here's my crew over here behind the rig. Boys being boys, and Vivian admiring the sheep. Hi. What do you think?
With goats or sheep. Oh my gosh, look at that one run! You guys should go follow us on Instagram and Facebook. My mom will probably put our username somewhere in the video or link them down below.
Here I am with my little girl, Pearl. She doesn't quite know what to think of the sheep here behind me. I think it's kind of freaking her out a little bit. What do you think, Roo-Roo? Huh? What do you think of the sheep? Huh? What do you think, Roo? No. No, stop that. No. No. What do you think of the sheep? Roo, you could be a little more polite. Be just a little bit more polite. Oh, now you've got yourself all twisted up in that leash. Hi. Do you want to say hi? Yes? So we're at Doe and Diva's dairy farm.
There's
Here
goats over there.
in Honey Creek, Iowa. And it's the cutest little place, but they have this little sheep here. They have this little outdoor store, and it's basically on the honor system. So you just put your money in like a little bowl here, and then you can pick out some of her handmade items. So she makes these products here on her property using the sheep. But she has soaps and lotions. So here, let's look inside. One major plus to Doe's and Diva's soaps are the absence of harsh chemicals and the natural addition of nourishing vitamins A and D. Since milk-based soaps are proficient at soothing the skin due to the proteins found in milk and their ability to penetrate the skin, these soaps are great in moisturizing abilities.
So,
Yes, and you open the doors and it's like all of these smells just like overwhelm you.
so
It is
my
really-
mom is gonna get the tea tree with
Oatmeal and honey.
oatmeal and honey, which smells pretty good. And then I want to get the oatmeal and honey without the tea tree because I don't like the smell tea tree.
Okay, so we're getting, okay, I have my money here
Okay.
somewhere.
I'll take this. And then we're gonna get
Do you have the
two.
money or do I have the money?
I give it to you. She's pulling it out of her pants. Did you set it down? So we have to give about $20 on Harvest Host because we get to stay here for free, but they asked to give a $20 donation. And so,
Did you get your...
yeah, I got my lotion. Oh my gosh, look at these like stickers.
Okay, and then we're each gonna get our own bottle of lotion, right?
Yeah, so let's just grab one of these. which are really nice. Which in the winter it's like kind of like I'm allergic, but it's not really. I just get super dry hands, so I need a lot of lotion.
Okay, so here we have our dough and Diva's Dairy Farm skin lotion and hand soap that we're going to be taking for a souvenir.
Look at our beautiful RV, and you can see the sunset. It's a beautiful night. Having a great time with our stuff. Okay, let's go.